brows, I'm going to be using a brown pencil. I don't even remember what this is. And then I'm just gonna brush up my brows using that. And to conceal today, I am going to be using my LA Gale Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. And to put it on, I'll be using a flat brush like that. So fast forward. That's the brow we're going for today. And then to prime my eyes, I am going to use Cafe 30 from Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, for this goldish eyeshadow look. And then I'm just going in with the beauty blender, which I'm dampening, and then just dab it around. Yes, I am using the Wow All Eyes on Me palette. The one here, it has really nice eyeshadow colors, and I like that they give them names. Ooh, I don't like the fact that it has a mirror. And then I know I look ashy, but I am still gonna go use my neutrals too from, what's this, Makeup Revolution. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna go in with my crease brush like that. And then I'm gonna, for my base, for my crease area, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow here. It's a brown eyeshadow. This one doesn't have names on it, which makes it a bit hard. So I'm just gonna damp it. See, you can already see it's very, the pigment is good if you do put on concealer. If you don't put on concealer, you're not gonna see this eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go right ahead and cut my crease, and then I am cutting my crease still with the Maybelline Fit Me. Please ignore the nose, people are bathing, it's in the morning. So I just put some on my hand, and then I'm gonna take the brush that I used on my eyebrows. It's a flat brush like that, and just go right ahead and carve my crease. Take another brush, my brush disappeared, my favorite brush. Here you are, my darling. I'm just gonna make it wet with some setting spray. I'm just spraying it there and dry it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in the Wow All Eyes, and I'm using the color Fierce. It's a very fierce bulb. And then I am going to smoke it out a little bit more on the edges with black eyeshadow. It's funny how all of these eyeshadows don't have like a matte black, but I'm gonna reach out for another big eyeshadow palette. This is the palette that I got from wherever. Don't even want to show you the name, but just grab a black eyeshadow palette, and then I'm just getting black on my brush like that, and then I'm gonna smoke it out just a little, letting it come onto the corners of the eye. There we go. To highlight my brow bone, and I'm gonna go back to the Wow, and then I will be using Posh. Posh looks white, but Posh will do for today. I am reaching out for another flat brush. Posh is white. I'm gonna reduce it a bit because Posh is white. And then I'm gonna go in for Ordinary, which is a gold as well, and I'm gonna take a little bit of her. Just a little bit of Ordinary, and then we are basically done for this eye. I'm gonna put on eyelashes and do this side. I don't know if you want to see me put on eyelashes. I struggle. In other news, I totally gave up on putting on lashes because that was just taking too much time. It was going on and off. I feel like crying, so I'm gonna try and just wing out my eye. Oh, by the way, this is the Avon Super something liner. Just going to put on some mascara there on my eye, then I'm gonna continue doing it on the other side. My camera is about to die, so I'm trying to preserve it by only showing one side. In the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna go in with the gold, but from Neutrals 2. It's a gold with a pink undertone, so it will be quite different from that one. To prime my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Defining Smooth Face Primer. I think it's the first time I'm using it on this channel. I just recently got it. I was out of the Maybelline and I decided to try something new. It really feels good. It really smooths your face out actually. To color correct my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Today I'm using a lot of LA Girl in the color orange, and I am only gonna go in the areas around my mouth, the areas around my eye and my under eyes, which are dark, and a few dark spots that are like here where I get where I had pimples. So a little goes more with such a bright color. This is new. I'm gonna blend it out with a damp beauty blender. The good old Betty. Yardley London Stay Fast in the color Chestnut. And I am gonna put it on with a beauty blender because I don't want this concealer to move around or it won't blend out well. At my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. And then to bake my face, I am going to be using the banana powder from BYS. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and put it where I highlighted. Today I highlighted very little because the color correcting really helped hide my dark spots and my dark circles. It comes with a sponge like that. Go right ahead and contour my face. And to contour my face, I'll be using the Essence Compact Powder in the color 70 Espresso. Yo, I have powder all over my gown. So I'm gonna take a powder brush like that and just tap 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 tap, and then that. Blend everything in. I am going to go in with this was my Clinique powder in the color medium. It is totally wiped off the name, and then I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, like it's to bring everything, contour and everything together. I see that color correcting your face good. So now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'll just wipe it off with a cotton pad because I have a lot of foundation around there. And today I am wearing a red lip. I haven't worn a red lip in ages. And then I'm gonna line it with this is a Crease liner. It's called Smudge in Purple Brown. Stick that I'm using is the Early Girl, I think it's Runaway, if that's the color, and it's like a maroon red, and it's a matte lipstick. I wish I had a fiery red, like very fiery. I'm tempted to try some things. I think I'll just try and put a smudge gloss in the center. I hate it. How does it look like? Ooh, battery's about to die. And then I'm just gonna go in with my glow in the color it's just a My Glow blush from Essence. Yo guys, now I'm rushing because my camera is about to die. And to set my face, I am just gonna use the Essence Instant Matte. There we go. And then for my under eye, I'm just gonna put on my gold. I don't know if my camera will still be on by then. And then I'm gonna let the hair down and then come back and say goodbye to you guys. So I am done now. I've also like just fluffed out my hair, and this is the final look. My dark circles are not visible at all today, and that's the eyeshadow look that I have on today. I changed the lipstick because red was just too bold for my outfit. I just went with a clear gloss. Yeah, and bye. Remember to subscribe, like and comment and share.